Poka Premium here at the Clean Garage. We're here to unbox our trolley cart. So let's take a look inside what's in the box, what you get, and how easy it is to put together. All right, let's dive into it. We're super happy to have these products here. We have over 50 in stock, available online and in store. Link in the description. So we are gonna just take this apart here and go through the instructions of what's included. So very, very simple, easy to put together here. It comes with all the hardware. This is powder coated steel, so really, really top quality. Comes with the casters. We got all of the hardware really, really nicely put together here in Ziploc bags. It also comes with a small wrench and a little Allen wrench as well. So it really gives you everything that you need here. So what's included real quick? We got our top shelf, our bottom shelf, middle shelf. This is a 3-tiered trolley / detailer cart. We have our sidebar, and this system is expandable too. So there are additional pieces that you can bolt on to this to expand. It's really great for in your home use or in the shop. 4 casters. We have all of our hang bars here, and it also gives you some additional protection that we'll show you a little bit closer, that goes around where you actually hang your machine polishers. So really, really nicely all put together. Everything is perfectly saran wrapped here. And so let's dive in and take a closer look.
Liked about this cart, it has a really nice compact design. Compared to a lot of the carts on the market, we believe it is one of the most thought out cart trolley systems specifically designed for storage and detailing. On the top level, you have 2 spots for mini polishers, 2 spots for coatings or other small bottles. On the second tier, you have spots for power cords. So if you're hanging a polisher, you can easily hang the cords. On the top tier, you can put 5 different brushes as well as hang bottles. Then on the other side, you can put 2 larger polishers that hang right off the side. Again, on the second tier, you have spots for 2 power cords. You can bolt on different displays and bottle and brush holders. On the website at clean-garage.com, we have a full list of additional expandable items that you can put on the cart. What you'll see on the top level is there's a large number 1 and number 2. This is helpful when you're doing coatings in a 2-step process so that you can separate your 2 different towels. The cart has 3 levels of storage for your polishers, spray bottles, and your pads. Poka does offer a 2-tier system. However, we chose the 3-tier because you can put more items on it and it is more versatile. You'll see that it is very nicely smooth rolling casters as well. It's great for both detailers and home garages. The Poka Cart system is available now at clean-garage.com.
Good, clean fun.